What is up, guys? Welcome
up,
back.
bro? Hi.
It's almost been a month.
Don't worry, Shadow is gonna return. I done started looking into ordering some stuff. Oh, which explains why I got measuring tape in my pocket.
That's so funny.
I couldn't remember why I put the measuring tape in my pocket. I'm like, wait, why is this in here? Because I got to measure that back section. Okay, all right.
Yeah, nah. So this is going to be. Hold on, let me get a good look real quick. Just one quick good look. Oh no!
It's his fault.
We'll pick it up.
I saw that.
This is going to be the last time we have these taillights, boys. Sorry.
Drop stuff.
And there's something under here.
I don't see what he did.
I did do that. We'll
get it.
Yeah. But these are going to be the last look for these taillights, and we're going to install the new ones. I'll show you guys in a little bit.
Flippy flip.
Yeah, unfortunately, they're like one of the more popular ones for the Malibu community. Everyone's getting them, but I mean,
they look good.
They look good. My taillight went out. This one has a crack in it, right there. I don't know if y'all can actually pick that up. I don't think the camera will, but the line. There's a crack, a big old crack right there. And so there's been water, oxidation,
no to drugs, children.
And everything. Huh?
Say no to drugs.
This man. And so basically, I think what happened was with this taillight is the base, when I used to have it, it was already cracked after that. It was already cracked after that. So I think that's what happened. But also, I think I figured out the air suspension problem.
Really?
With the remote sitting where it was sitting all the time, I'll show you guys in a second, but where the remote was sitting and where it was sitting, the sun's always beaming down on the cord.
Overheating it?
So it's overheating the cord because for a week now, it's been plugged up and I've never had a problem. So I'm still going to get a new cord, but yeah, so let me show y'all. So if y'all remember, it used to be sitting like right here. Now I got it sitting right here for now. I'm gonna put it back right here, but later when the weather isn't so damn hot. But you did, sir. He mad about his great work he did.
Holy crap. This is hard to undo.
Yeah. Why not just unplug? Why not just unplug it? You don't gotta.
Because the wires is tied into the electrical tape.
Oh, dang.
Holy smokes.
Well, we'll get back to you guys in a minute, but yeah,
so
so
figure out how to unwrap this present.
Yeah, I'm gonna help him. Basically, both of us are not going through things, but we're going through things, and we're planning for things to basically work out for the better and not the worse. So that's why it's been like 3 weeks since our last post, because it's almost been a month. That's crazy. I think that's the longest we've ever went without posting.
Yeah.
But there's things.
Black Panther still over there.
Yeah,
White
so
Tiger, whatever you want to call that damn thing.
Let me. Yeah, my boy needs a programmer for his.
Mitsubishi must-free programming. Somebody email me that.
Yeah, so the Malibu is going through V3. This upcoming weekend. This is why the taillights are going to now. This upcoming weekend will be the last 2 shows I'm going to go to, at least by myself, without the team. Maybe later down the road, if they want to go to a show, I'll go. But the car will be down. I'm not selling it, but going through a whole remodeling phase. Big Red got big plans, but he wants to get, yeah. Basically, big plans, little money, and he wants to get the Eclipse running. And so that's why he ended up selling the wheels, so he could get all that done. He just got done detailing that nice shiny engine bay. He needs to do mine, stop playing. But and then the Eclipse just needs to be running. But then after it's running, did you decide if you're going to keep the Eclipse?
It's running.
No, like 100% running. That's what I mean.
It ain't shifting gears.
Yeah. Are you keeping the Eclipse once you fix it, or?
I get that damn thing running.
All right, cool. So it's official. He's keeping the Eclipse. It was a dice roll when we first got it back up here, or when he first got it back up here. But he's going to keep it. And then we're going to be mobbing in the Eclipses, taking over the shows and everything.
Ain't nobody out there.
But yeah, basically we're both in the same process of
trying to
fix things, but then also get new things. So that's why these taillights are going on, because my was it hyperblink or when a turn signal flash fast? Hyper flash?
Call it some weird shit.
I forget. I don't know. I forget the correct term. Yeah, you guys will correct me in the comments, but basically
Y'all know what it
on my dash it's like freaking out. Yeah. And so this side is doing what it needs to do, but it's causing, but this, since this side's messed up, it's causing everything else to just be messed up with it. So yeah, I think that's enough talking. Been talking for a few minutes now. Let's get this stuff in. Just wanted to give you guys a look of the corner lights. And it actually looks like this one is darker than this one, which I wasn't expecting. I thought they were about the same tone. That's crazy. But yeah, so we're about to see how this works out. It's going to be weird because I think with the newer Malibus, well, already, dang, oh well. Oh, nothing happened. But basically, there's a clip back here that these did not come with. And I guess it's supposed to plug right into something, but the problem is I don't have that connector because I think these are for the newer Malibus. And same thing probably with the old headlights I got are probably for the older Malibus or the newer Malibus. So we gotta do some nice custom wiring, and that's why you need your guys a Lamont.
He gonna take them back. That's what he gonna do. It's supposed to be plug and play. Play.
You should know by now. There's no plug and play for my car.
This just play. You ain't no plugging. None of
It's so funny.
Play.
So yeah, we're about to get those in. So yeah, see you on the feed, guys. We back. Got one of them on. So let me sit down. Basically, what's going on here is we haven't wired up nothing yet, but this is the OEM harness for the car. This is what comes on the OEM headlights. Basically, this is the harness we spliced into it when we had the other set of headlights. So what we're about to try to do is unping this. Focus. There we go. We're about to, that's crazy. We're about to unping this to plug back into the OEM one right there and go from there. Let me wipe off. And so basically the idea is to unping this from here, right? And connect it to the one that's on the taillights. That and or just shave this one down, whatever we can do. Because what's happening is this can't go into this because it's a different like slide feature. Like, try to do this with one hand. Ugh. Yeah, so you guys see, it's not wanting to go in. It's a different slide feature. It's the plugs literally look very identical, but it's just a slide feature that's different. So as you see that this one has like a little lip right here, this one doesn't have that lip. It has it on the other side actually. So we're about to see what we could do. If Lamont can't find some type of pick, we're gonna do something else. I don't know. What is up, guys? So we're back. We got everything plugged up, wired up. Everything works. This man. The unfortunate thing about these taillights that I ran into, at least, I can't get the animation for nothing. So Lamont's plugging up everything back up to, because we couldn't figure out why we are not getting reverse lights. But the turn signals work, the actual lights in general work, and we just couldn't figure out the reverse. But now we figured that out. But now, yeah, we can't figure out the animation. So this is honestly pretty straightforward. White goes to white, inner and outer white. I'm gonna show you guys. This is outer white, this is inner white. They will come with one. I used one from my old harness, but basically white all the way to white over here to inner. And then where's that other one? To outer. Or this is inner, this is inner, this is outer. What have mercy in this one.
White and bright white?
Yeah. So, and then red to red. But then the brown isn't connected. So I think that may be what the animation needs to go to. I don't know. This isn't plugged up, but there's no power going to it, period. So I don't know. I just stopped asking questions at some point. This red, we connected to the green. And again, this is a 2017 Malibu. A lot of the newer Malibus were able just to plug it in and do like, yeah, do minor things compared to what we're doing. So this is literally trial and error. You guys see we had to hard connect a lot of things over here. Lamont's quick connecting a few things to mimic this over here, but just with the quick connects. Yeah, because it just wasn't getting a good connection. But other than that, they work. So we'll get back up to y'all. I didn't want to keep going and then not give you guys an update, but it's pretty much getting there. And then the other thing is, and maybe because this brown wire or something isn't completely done over here, we don't know. It doesn't come with a diagram, but basically I get a hyper flash on the this side. So it's something to know with this side, but again, everything wasn't plugged up, so we'll see. Yeah, so no, it's not the signal light. So we'll see how everything goes. All right, guys, we're gonna end up making a part 2 because my boy got to go get some sleep for work tomorrow. He works early in the mornings, but they look good. They look good. The only downfall is, yeah, hold on. The only downfall is we don't know how to get the animation, and you could turn on the lights now. This side's on, but this side isn't. So we don't know what's up with that, but we got the turn signals, we got the brake lights, we got I guess the brake lights and the reverse lights. So we got everything. Yeah, that's brake, reverse, turn signal. You do the right side? You do the right side? Oh, well, they're not working now. So y'all see what's going on? We just got to figure this shit out because we don't know what's going on. You want to rev it? No? Good. Yeah, it's working.
So it don't work with the taillights.
Hit the brake and use it. It's working, but it turns off. Yeah, like the headlight's off while it's on. Yeah, it's weird. So we got it. There's no proper wiring diagram for the guys that's with the newer Malibus. It seems like it's easier. You don't know how to rev the car. It's all good though.
No, I just like listening to them.
Oh, I like both. The popping.
That's why I just like listening.
But yeah, so
they grin, this will go.
So we're gonna take a pause. We're gonna tackle it later. But these are the new taillights. All in all, they look good. I like the way they look. They definitely look good. They're gonna take some time to grow on me because I still like the other ones way more. But you know, each his home. Yeah, it's a completely different look. So hey, they look good.
If anybody got a wiring diagram, please send it to me.
Yeah, we can't find like a legit, like good wiring diagram for the taillights specifically. So that's why we're stuck.
With these wires.
Yeah, the taillights is one of those things it's just a miss. It's no hit or miss. It's just a miss. And especially with the car being a 2017, I think the cars without the facelifts, those are the ones that have like the most problems when it comes to the taillights. The newer model cars with the taillights are good. So, peace out, guys.
Peace like a bowl of hair grease. Got some new, oh, you got my measuring tape?
It's in your trunk.
Okay.
Is that thunder or is that?
I think that's thunder.
That's crazy. The last 2 days, thunder and been crazy in North Carolina.
I think
or at least in the Concord, Charlotte.
Yeah, even the neighbors actually.
Yeah, so peace out, guys.
Peace
like, comment, subscribe.
Grease.
We're almost at 1,000 or 1,600 subscribers. So awesome. And we almost at 2K views or 2K watch hours. There we go. We got 2K views before, but peace out, guys. See y'all tomorrow or see you on the next video. Ooh, moving ahead.